everyone, in today's video we are going over just a couple pieces of information about diastasis recti, healing times, as well as ways to measure it on your own at home or with a healthcare provider. We made a video before about how to check it out at home with your fingers. Obviously, if you want to know where you fall in the grading scale of this injury, we're going to use a measuring tape. So go ahead and take your feet flat for me, knees bent. And what we're going to do is we're going to locate along that linea alba, or the connective tissue between those two six-pack muscles on the side here. What we're going to do is we're going to locate that, and we're going to start at the belly button, because usually that's where we're going to find the majority of the diastasis or the tearing. We're going to do a small sit-up there. Yep. And then we talked about measuring with fingers, but everybody's finger size is a little bit different. So we're going to take a measuring tape in centimeters, and from there what we'll do is we'll see how far that separation is. Usually under 2 centimeters, you're in an okay place. There's 2 to 3 centimeters, 3 to 4, over a 5, you're kind of in that more extreme range. The most important thing with this type of injury is to track it over time. Most of the time, and in like 8 to 12 week range, people are just going to get better on their own. So you can kind of manage that or measure it and track it with your own fingers or with a measuring tape at home to see if it's getting better. Talking about postpartum moms here, within a year, usually they'll just get better on their own as well. But those who don't get better within a year on their own, it's typically because they have a sedentary lifestyle. They're not doing anything proactive about kind of strengthening the core and making this a little bit better. If you want to know more information, you're welcome to check out the other videos that we've made about diastasis recti, or you can reach out to us. We're happy to help you virtually or in person.